Mazumu zongpagamela, ngalala, zongpagamela.
Hi guys, I hope you're all good. So this is like my first vlog type of thing. Still many more to be coming. A lot is about to be happening and y'all asked and I delivered. So today is Siago 25 and this year in Tlantleni Temple for 25. So obviously I gotta get myself ready. My hair is not done, guys. That's why I'm wearing a bonnet. My hair is not done and you know, I still need to prepare and stuff. So I still need to make food that I'm going to eat. Yeah. So hopefully you will enjoy my vlog. And maybe I'll do a voiceover or like I'll talk. But yeah, stay tuned, guys.
So I started off by making fried chicken. So these are my eggs. And then this is flour mix I used. I will show you all the box. And then I used some cornflakes. And here is the flour mix. So obviously guys, we had to put some oil and then I microwaved my chicken. So then guys, I ended up changing from a pot to a pan because it was a better choice. Then I put my chicken inside. Then cause like I'm a very nice girl, I made some sishebo for my family. And then my chicken was ready, guys. I think it looks okay. I think I did well. And then the sishebo was also getting ready. Yeah.
Hi guys, so we are back and yeah, my hair is done. And I am ready to go to church. Yeah, I'm wearing a polo neck because it is cold. And yeah, I'll do vlogs. I'll try vlog as much as I can of everything. So enjoy.
So this is me just checking myself if I look great. And then after that I was on my way to Inhlanhla Temple for U25. Then here I had arrived, guys, and it was very full. And then this is just my friend Uma Vila, guys. She's got such a vibe, guys. She's very nice. And then this is my baby, also known as Uma Vila, his sister. Then here we were on our way to Etembelini. Then after we were on our way to Espoli.
Ngingo wakho angina angina wama nami kosi nami na kosi nami
Okay, ngesikhathi sesiphuma eSpoli, we were on our way to the temple. And then this is everyone. It was very full, guys, I'm not gonna lie, and this temple is very beautiful. And usually with 25 I go for Ubufuta and Bomu, but this time I was like, let me try something different and learn ukuthi idrum lishawa kanjani. And honestly it was such an experience and it was very nice. Then here bekusagida amashashangena because kuqala amashashangena izingane Then here was a Sekita Utupane, but I didn't really get time to record Utupane. Then here bese sengena-ke isidwaba. Then I was like, let's take a minute to admire our drummers. Ayubona. Then lana you guys is Sekitamina and no one could record me. I didn't have anyone that could record me, so I tried my best recording, guys. Then here we were on our way back to Espoli. And then hayi ngazithela kulihle noma zonke ebengikade ngabagcina. And then after that, sabe sesidla besilambile, and this is what ended, guys. Ukudla nje sikushayisa kuvala sino endle cause besilambile. And then kusaza nevela sipha amagwinya sathi obani ngeke asiphuthe amagwinya and abe mnandi, guys. Ake ngesikhathi sengebambelana ukuhlala guys ngihlangane nowele sathi ukuketchupa. Basibotoboto zamabele, thana nibotoboto zamabele. Then guys, before we get virginity tests, they feel our breast and our stomach to just check if there's not a little human in there, because you never know. And then here we were holding the line to get virginity tested, about to get in. Alright guys, 3 eyes as you can see, successful. And then as soon as I got back, I had to go grab my throat because it was really cold, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it was really Hi guys, so it's mostly me right now, but guys, I got 25 feet. So if the vlog ends now, just know if it carries on with
Mazumu zongiphakamela, zongiphakamela, ngakala, zongiphakamela.